going on? driverAJ here. Just making it quick for you guys. I thought it was gonna be traffic, but I guess it's only on the upcoming way. How do you put this in sport mode? Is it like that? DSC off, there we go. I like how it sounds. It's like not super loud, it's like a little like racy, I would say. I like it. Could switch the exhaust, which is, I think it's already on because of the green light. I wonder if you could redline. Let's see. Not bad, not bad, not bad. They should start having like autobahns out here. Anybody that'd be down for an autobahn, you know, comment below. All over California, all over the US, matter of fact. Wonder what that looked like. I bet you if we still had an autobahn out here, you'd get like all the slow drivers on the farthest left side. It'd be a mess. And they should arrest those people for being on the slow side. They should make new laws. Like if you're going under 65, you're gonna get arrested. Wow. It's weird. It doesn't sound like the M3, even though it's the same like platform engine. You know what I mean? Like I've recently been in an M3 and it sounds different. I wonder why. Yeah, it had the exhaust, the M exhaust too. So I'm just curious to what's going on. Gonna take an exit here, but we get stuck in traffic, and I gotta rename this video "Stuck in Traffic." Wow, wow. Rush hour's coming. The Bay Area is weird, man. Like rush hour could either be like 1 p.m. or it could be like 5 p.m. bro. It's so weird. It's so random out here. And I can tell it's like climbing up. It's like climbing up here. What time is it? Look, I told you, 4 o'clock. 30 minutes, it's gonna be jam-packed over here. We beat it. Alright guys, made it to our destination. Catch you next time.